Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome extensions performance impact. Step by step, fully updated for 2026. If your Chrome browser feels slow, uses too much memory, or lags while browsing, yeah, extensions are often the main reason. Let's fix that properly. First, open Google Chrome and type chrome://extensions in the address bar. Press enter. This page shows all installed extensions and their current status. Now start by disabling extensions you don't actively use. Toggle them off one by one. You'll often notice Chrome becoming faster immediately. So yeah, less really is more here. Next, click Details on each important extension. Check Permissions and Background Access. If an extension runs in the background or has unnecessary permissions, it can slow Chrome down even when you're not using it. Now, open Chrome's built-in Task Manager. Press Shift plus ESC. Here you can see exactly how much CPU and memory each extension is using. If one extension is consuming too many resources, consider removing it or replacing it with a lighter alternative. After that, update your extensions. Go back to chrome://extensions and enable developer mode, then click Update. Developers often release performance improvements, and outdated extensions can cause issues. If Chrome still feels slow, reset extension settings indirectly by restoring Chrome settings. Go to Settings, then Reset and Clean Up, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This won't delete bookmarks or passwords, just misconfigured settings. Finally, keep your extension list clean going forward. Install only what you truly need and review extensions regularly to avoid performance drops. And that's it. By disabling unused extensions, checking resource usage, updating regularly, and keeping Chrome clean, you can fix extension-related performance issues easily. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome optimization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.